Bonjour, this is Julien the Frenchman who makes French pronunciation videos here on YouTube, and we are looking at how to pronounce this name as well as how to pronounce more illustrious famous names from literature. So make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing. This is the name of a French novelist, critic and essayist. How do you say it? In France we say it as Marcel Proust. Marcel Proust. It'd be fine in English to say it as Marcel Proust. Marcel Proust. From French, Marcel Proust, French novelist. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thanks for your support indeed. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more names from French literature whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching. Merci. Au revoir.